social media. No call me name. Me advise you and tell you what to do, get a job. Take a look at time. Me tell you, say me have people in Miami. If you want to go on Go, me have Go link. If you want to go on anything at all, me have link. That me tell you, say. All my friend them number, me that go to the girl and ask my friend if she can stay with her and girl can walk. I want to go club and them something. The girl really come and tell people, say me need this and me that. And I bring me down. I say I'm not sorry for some of you wicked girl. Anything I reach if it happen for you. She said me worse than her, but all me worse than Shana. Shani don't live nowhere at all. Oh, me for worse than somebody she don't live nowhere. Any man who me take up, guys, no matter how much money them have, them have to come and whatever happen, them have to leave. I mean, I got to let them leave.
What shame they are?
The girl is dangerous. Me tell you, say she dangerous. If you understand, me never give her my number. If you don't know, she can't come and post no say, me not chat nobody. I mean, not have no conversation. I mean, not this because we don't. Me talk to her on the phone because me know say she dangerous. Me know say she mix up. I'm a black that somebody when name Kiki because me did it on the girl live and hear the girl talk about me. Yeah, you can't get black off from my page. Go on your ways. No, go come tell me.
Black people, yeah. Snipe.
God.
Where this is?
Yo, anyways, guys, she did one heard. Me been through similar situation. Me, you can't tell nobody say me and you been through similar situation when me never fuck a married man. Me fuck a nigga for years. When find it hard to leave me alone, that is a different situation. It's a total different situation. Me and this nigga sleep in a bed, we go places together, we fuck in a small island, we fuck in a Jamaica, we fuck on Riverside, we fuck all over the place. You cannot say that me and you in the same situation. This is not a married man, this is a whole community cocky. You understand? Cocky where they all over the world. Global cocky. Cocky where they in a every girl, old girl from Colombia, girl from Brazil, girl from Europe, girl from Jamaica, girl from England, girl from America. I mean, most of the cocky they all over the place. Total different situation that. Total different situation. Me no fuck married man, period. Me don't sex married man. Me feel like it's bad luck. I don't fuck married man. So how you gonna tell people say, me and you in a situation, me and you in a similar situation. When me and you talk about this over the phone weeks ago, but today the same thing when me say for your life, so how you gonna say, me for take side with you. My God. Yes. Same something the man did left you to no blood clot boy we are start me and I text on my phone can't left me and me left the pussy. I'm not stop say that the boy did that start me and me left him moving a dirty blood clot from there. Someone who come from my life I come talk about say man left me and me that ball. Oh no blood clot I run back on the baby father for them buy pampers to the pitney them. The blood clot boy can't left me. Me have good pussy underneath my foot. I lie no I tell. I lie no blood clot tell. But man left me and me that ball too. And I drop 3 donuts for me. Yeah. Please drop 3 my ass. Right, me not get the something. Me not get it at all. Yeah. But man left me and me that ball too. Ball about what? I don't even know how annoyed I was and how irritated I was about that man. I don't even understand. I realize my true story don't change. It don't change for a reason. Every day I don't come and talk about oh the man are mad me, the man are this and the man are that. I'm fine. I'm great. I have a good man in my life right now. I'm saying my guy was turning on the other day 100 and 1,000 I'm going to pick up. And I don't even know what my pussy look like so properly. I'm never looking at my pussy and open it up yet good. And I'm saying my guy was turning about 4 times. Yes. Yes, my love. My alright in a life. My alright. At least if you might give me banana take me for man clown, me can carry the money go spoil myself. I saw you be man club when time I get things. You see when time boy want come take you for idiot and go on like say them want come fuck around. You run with them blood clots. See you so. When they not have enough for alpha and too much for alpha, you make them go on where them go because nobody can waste my time. Yeah. You know, I did not tell the girl nothing bad. She just did want me to back her up and them so the brother. First of all, the man is married, right? You know that the man is married. Of all, the man is married, right? You know that the man is married. I can't if you allow him to do all of these things and then at the same time, remember, you just know the man, it's not like saying a man attack for 5 years or 4 years, You just know the man and the man is just to help you. You must know so the man take advantage of your brother. And nobody not blame her or anything like that. But come on. Come on. And then you're going to say, oh, say it's the same situation because me expose such man and me this and me that. He's not a married man and me and him they actually there. Let's talk about that. It's not a case where I was a one and fling. That wasn't a one and fling. No.
I think I hear.
Eh? It seemed to me like, say, this girl no like when time nobody talk to her, guys. She don't want nobody to talk to her. She just want to get up and live her life and nobody not to talk to her because based off my understanding, when time she did, Miss Fabulously put her some of stay in New York. And this is how you know this is a workless girl. When time Miss Fabulously put her some of stay in New York, right? We don't know say mama end up left the yard and left the yard with the key. And the man will leave at the house. She end up make the man have to sleep, turn up out the door and wait for and key to come back in. She girl gone with man gone fuck and gone. After the people them put you up in a them blood clot place, you're gone to all your workplace and kill this. Eh? You're gone. You're gonna let the man outside. And then because people call you and say something to your bex about that. All I talk about so the people them teeth you vibrate. And then everybody like fuck like you and use them something, All I talk about so the people them teeth you vibrate so you're catching at the people them house. For sure you say you don't want nothing out of life. And all the thing for do I get up and look problem with people. And then you're going to talk about us and me worse than you and me this and you. So all you call me a ball to me and I tell me say you're this or you're that. She there one woman house. Guys, to all the girls Salt and Kyhighlah, she there one woman house. She called me to them. And next thing me know, she gonna tell me say the lady make she leave her out because police, she must tell the CMR guys say she gonna kill herself. And the boy must call police on her and make police come at the yard. And the lady must tell her say to leave because she don't want a police at her yard. She have to leave. The next thing you know, she there somewhere else. The next thing you know, she there somewhere else. Wally British, according to she, Wally British put her up somewhere, put her somewhere for stay, and me hear say, she a cuss Wally British too. We a cuss the people them for the color, the people them name. She target all of the famous people them for just get clout off of them and for just get hype off of them. That is her thing. That is her thing, brother. I fear her thing that she have her family them, but based off what I understand is that she don't want to work. She don't want to work. She just want to sit on a yard and just eat, sleep, go up on social media and live life. She don't want to work. So her people them tell her to go on. As a matter of fact, I didn't even tell her to go on. She just don't want to go home based off what I hear. You understand what I say? Everybody will help you try to turn against them.